What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. And I want to give a quick shout out and reminder to all you crypto poker tournaments out there that the Aion Crypto Poker Tournament is tomorrow, October 15th, 2022. So if you're watching this sometime after that date, then you missed it. But that's okay. There are more coming. Mr. Yashnik, who's putting this on, has actually been talking to other communities, and there will be a Duro, Neoxa, Ergo, Flux, and Conceal tournaments coming up in the near future. For now, let's focus on Aion. So this is happening tomorrow. It is play money, free entry for everyone. Now, the reason I'm trying to give a shout out for this is because if you don't have enough free money chips to register, you may have to wait 24 hours to get them chips. So make sure you get registered and all that before this happens, so you're not running into any issues when the time comes. So there's plenty of prizes going on here. For first place, that is 20,000 Aion. All the way up to 50th place will get upwards of 150 Aion. I have a link to this Google Doc down in the description for you guys all to check out. There's plenty of sponsors here. We got GPURisers. The grand prize is 12 GPU mining rig frame, including 8 fans, 12 splitters, 12 risers, and an SSD drive to USA and Canada only. We also got other prizes of 6 packs of risers, and there's all sorts of other things here. Now we got bounties. So bounties is if you take out any one of these players listed here, you get the corresponding bounty beside them. Myself, I am in this RabidMining. If you take me out at the table, you will win 500 Aion. And if you do that and take everybody out, well, you're going to be rich. Now, if you end up in the top 50 or take out a bounty or something, remember the bounties are trying to track themselves as well to see who takes them out, but all the help is needed. Be sure to email Yashnik at this email right here, support@aionpool.tech, and give him a few days to a week to respond and get out your rewards and stuff, because this is very busy times for him. Remember, everyone's going to be messaging him about every single thing. So just keep in mind, he's going to be swamped with a lot of emails and so on. Re-entry, it's 3,000 play chips, regular speeds. There's breaks every 5 minutes and 55 minutes past the hour. And then over here, this is how you set it up. So if you're not yet a club member, the club ID and everything, the invitation codes, all this is right here. Now, I do see they have the new version. I just registered the other day, and I seen it was a lot different. So previously, your home games was on this side over here, but now it is sitting up top. So for a quick example, I loaded up my Poker Stars. So home games is now up here if you did update. And then you can see I am part of the club, but you're going to have to join a club. And that's where you enter this club ID number and everything. Yashnik will accept you, and then you'll have this club available. We come into here. I'm already registered and everything. We can see, click here. And now you would hit the register button if you're unregistered, but I'm already registered. So if I click this, obviously I'm going to unregister, but we can see all the various players here and the country. So I'm from Canada. How many Canadians am I up against? Scrolling up here. So here I am, RabidMining. Got Yashnik, Red Panda. I'm not sure how you tell if people are registered or not yet, but I'm assuming everybody here is already registered. So there's a total of, where's all the players? We have 92 entries inside this. So remember, top 50 is prize pool winner. So get them entries in, guys. We need more people. There's not very many people here yet, but the least amount of people, the closer you are already to that top 50. So be sure to join the poker tournament today. And if you don't even have to play poker, like I play poker once or twice a year whenever these tournaments are. So I'm not a good poker player. I'm horrible, but I still enjoy it, and it's a lot of fun. So if you're just learning or whatever, you know, there's no harm on you. I will be live streaming this. There'll be other live streams going on about this as well, but it's a lot of fun for communities to get together, just talk and play some poker, and potentially even win some free crypto. All right, guys, so thanks for checking this out. I will see you guys at the tables tomorrow. Rabid out.